Hello traders, this is Dr. Zainaga from zwinner.com. Here are my forecasts for the week starting 3rd of August until the 7th of August 2020. Buy Australian dollar against US dollar at 0.7234 with the take profit 1 at 0.7329, take profit 2 at 0.7381 and the stop loss at 0.7065. And also buy New Zealand dollar against US dollar at 0.6718 with the take profit 1 at 0.6742, take profit 2 at 0.6786 and the stop loss at 0.6615. Buy Euro USD at 1.1916 with the take profit 1 at 1.1992, take profit 2 at 1.2121 and the stop loss at 1.1692. And buy GBP USD at 1.3179 with the take profit 1 at 1.3311, take profit 2 at 1.3488 and the stop loss at 1.2851. Sell USD Japanese yen at 104.19, take profit 1 at 102.50, take profit 2 at 101.32, stop loss at 106.12. And sell USD Swiss franc at 0.9054, take profit 1 at 0.8798, take profit 2 at 0.8584 and the stop loss at 0.9251. Also sell USD Canadian dollar at 1.3311, take profit 1 at 1.3243, take profit 2 at 1.3152 and the stop loss at 1.3470. Set these pending orders as soon as the markets open on Sunday evening. Place your take profit and your stop loss, and once you achieve your take profit level 1, bring your stop loss to break even, and if you wish you can also set up a trailing stop of 20 pips. So wishing you all the best, take care and see you next week. Bye bye.